Hello everyone, welcome to our presentation on cryptography and information encryption. My name is Devarshika Nigam and today we will delve into the world of cryptography, exploring how it works and its importance in protecting information. Let's get started. Cryptography is the science of protecting information by transforming it into a secure format. This transformation ensures that only authorized parties can read the information. Cryptography plays a critical role in securing communications, protecting data privacy, and ensuring the integrity and authenticity of information. Let's start with the basics. Cryptography involves two primary processes: encryption and decryption. Encryption, the process of converting plain text into coded text known as ciphertext using an algorithm and an encryption key. Decryption, the process of converting ciphertext back into plain text using a decryption key. There are two main types of cryptographic algorithms: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric cryptography. In symmetric cryptography, the same key is used for both encryption and decryption. It is fast and efficient, making it suitable for encrypting large amounts of data. However, the challenge lies in securely sharing the key between the sender and the receiver. Examples of symmetric encryption algorithms include AES, Advanced Encryption Standard, widely used for securing data; DES, Data Encryption Standard, an older standard, less secure by today's standards; 3DES, Triple DES, an improvement over DES using 3 keys for enhanced security. Asymmetric cryptography. Asymmetric cryptography, also known as public key cryptography, uses a pair of keys, a public key and a private key. The public key is used for encryption, while the private key is used for decryption. This method addresses the key distribution problem faced by symmetric cryptography. Examples of asymmetric encryption algorithms include RSA, Rivest-Shamir-Edelman, widely used for secure data transmission; ECC, elliptic curve cryptography, offers the same level of security as RSA but with smaller key sizes and faster performance. Applications of cryptography. Cryptography is used in various applications to ensure the security and privacy of information. Secure communication protects the confidentiality and integrity of data transmitted over networks such as emails and instant messages. Data protection encrypts sensitive data stored on devices and in databases to prevent unauthorized access. Authentication verifies the identity of users and devices, ensuring that only authorized entities can access resources. Digital signatures ensures the authenticity and integrity of digital documents and transactions by providing a way to verify the sender's identity. Cryptographic protocols. Several cryptographic protocols leverage encryption to provide secure communication and data protection. SSL TLS, Secure Sockets Layer Transport Layer Security, secures data transmitted over the internet, commonly used in web browsers and online transactions. VPN, Virtual Private Network, encrypts internet traffic to protect privacy and data integrity for remote access. PGP, Pretty Good Privacy, encrypts emails and files to ensure their confidentiality and integrity. Challenges in cryptography. Despite its benefits, cryptography faces several challenges. Key management. Safely generating, distributing, and storing cryptographic keys. Performance. Balancing security with the computational resources required for encryption and decryption. Quantum computing. The potential of quantum computers to break current cryptographic algorithms, necessitating the development of quantum resistance algorithms. In conclusion, cryptography is a fundamental technology for protecting information in our digital world. Understanding its principles and applications helps ensure data confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity. By staying informed about advancements and best practices in cryptography, we can continue to safeguard our information effectively. Thank you for your attention. If you have any questions or need further information, please feel free to ask. And if you have found value in our videos, please do subscribe to our channel and share it with your professional colleagues. Thank you.